Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to my channel Technical DAJSN. Today I will teach you how you can write tags or keywords for your YouTube videos with AI tools. What is AI? AI means artificial intelligence. AI assists you in the best manner of understanding the search engine optimization like Google search engine, like YouTube search engine. If you take advantage of using this application, so your SEO will be very powerful and you can reach to your target audience very quick with the help of AI tool. So let's start the procedure. First of all, install this application. I will provide the link of this application under the video description. You can download from there. Open it. Now tap on dismiss. This is the interface of this application, which is called Tag You. Now here select AI Tags Generator. Tap on it. Now here write the tag symbol of your YouTube video. For example, I want to write tags on this how to remove background, picture background. So I have written this tag. Now this application will write more tags for my video. Now if I tap on the check button, so the ad will be appear. You will watch the ad and after that this application will show you your desired tags. Now I am tapping on check. Oh, the application. Okay, after watching the ad, here your desired keywords will be shown on the screen. You can copy from here to select copy button and you can paste it in your YouTube videos tags. This video is for those people who don't have the idea of writing many keywords for one video of YouTube, because keywords writing takes a long time and it's a headache. So this is the solution for that problem. I'm sure guys this video will helpful for you. So make sure like this video, subscribe my channel for more information. Subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks and useful videos, and press the bell icon so you will never miss an update of my new videos notification. Take care guys, see you in the next video.